I'm going to call this 58 Corvette. Might be wrong. Could be 59, 58, something like that. Could be wrong. But I like the combination with the black and yellow. It doesn't have something listed in the windshield, so. And like this, look at the flames. I never did this car before. When he's got the flames in it, you're not that noticeable, but you're there, man. Sweet. The black and the yellow combination I always like better than black and red. I'll say it's a 58. I don't know. Could be 50. Whatever. Close enough. Exhaust comes out of the pipe, out of the bumpers. Route 66 in the back there. This thing is bad, man. This is badass as all hell. Alright, the tail light lens says 58 on it, so that should be it. It should be a 58. Good guess. Good guess. 5-spoke wheels, just like the old days. It's convertible with a hard top. It's convertible. That's one of the beauties of these things too, man. You change a convertible top like nothing in these things. 58.